Yo, peace, what up? My name is Michael J. Turner. I'm the Southwest Shaman, and this is Stereo Fix 888. This channel is all about growth, recovery. It's all about personal development, and it's all about free game, basically. I'm giving free game, baby. This is Phoenix, Arizona. I'm on top of a mountain right now. You know, and y'all can't even see that. You can see that a little bit. It's beautiful, right? Beautiful, right? So I'm out here this morning because for one, there's so many things that getting on top of a mountain can do for you. You know what I'm saying? In order to create the catalyst for alchemy, you know what I'm saying, I had to get back in touch with nature. For one, there's a flow. There's a certain flow that happens. The energy, the chi. And this takes place in nature. It's the macro or the micro. You know what I'm saying? Everything that happens within us happens in the macro. So I can find those reflections of myself within nature. But let's go a little deeper. A mountain is almost an entity. It is an entity within itself. I mean, imagine the thing that's seen over time. Imagine what it conceals. Imagine what's within it. So there's an energy to a mountain in itself. And getting high and elevated above the land, it gives you that view, that perspective that I want to keep as it is. I need to keep this perspective elevated in any situation, in any conversation. I hold the high ground, because if I hold the high ground, it gives me time to react. It gives me time to respond instead of reacting. And if I can do that, I'll get a better outcome in any situation. It gives me the advantage. So I can come up here, meditate, hear that. I can hear everything, I can see everything, but yet I hear nothing. And I can be right where I need to be in order to catch the flow of ideas and energy I need to catch in order to channel what I'm trying to channel on this here YouTube channel. Yo, so let me give you some free game, man. This is the ultimate shit, man. I just stumbled upon this recently. Within the settings in the YouTube studio, you go to the bottom. On the left-hand side, there's a section that says settings. You hit that. Within there, you'll have to find this yourself, because I'm on top of a mountain right now. You can find places to put details that will be reoccurring within your videos every time you go to do one, so you can save yourself time by doing this. But also, in another section, there's a place for descriptive tags to place your channel in general, like all the videos. I didn't have this filled out for the longest time. Bro, sis, cuz, blood, whatever. We ain't gangbang over here, please, excuse me, pardon me. I'm just saying though, my people, if you're trying to do this thing, if you're trying to do this Thug Thizzle, this is a key element, and I didn't know about it until recently, so don't sleep on this. And here's another thing, man. I keep hearing people saying that there's power to scheduling the video, or at least, if nonetheless, posting at the same time every day. And I'm like, sometimes this is impossible for me. Same time though, there's times where I have all sorts of content that I've done within one day, and I want to post it or whatever, but like, I might get backed up on it, and then some of that content goes to the wayside. So I came up with a solution that is not only going to help me and help you, but also help me within the algorithm, because I want to get to something about that some of my bitch in a little bit. What I want to say is that by scheduling the video, I can make multiple pieces of content within the same day. I can upload them all and schedule them to be released at the same time each day going forward, and then I can go forward with the following days, filling up my schedule with other things that need attention, if that is the scenario. Powerful. So this leads me to what I want to say about the algorithm. There's a dope channel, and you know what? I have something even more scientific to go with this, but I'm gonna reveal this on the next video, or better yet, I might even talk about it at the end. Stay tuned to find out. There's a channel, and shout out to this girl, man. She's awesome, and I'm gonna give you a specific shout out in the next video. She told me, she said that to study the art and the science. Like, as in, don't just study like the videos and like be inspired by that and be like, yo, let me recreate that artwork, because I got that part down. I make artworks, literally. I make music, and it's all on my channel. I draw, I exercise, I do all these things. It's all crafts. So I create plant designs, and now I'm making videos, and there's an art to it, of course. But when it comes to this YouTube thing, I'm not just making videos for myself and to show my friends and my homies and whatnot. I'm making videos to reach people, because the purpose behind this is what I call abstract personal development. And it's designed for everybody. It's meant to help anybody who wants to make a change in their life. So it's meant for everybody. But I got to help myself first in order to help other people. So here I am, Michael J. Turner, the Southwest Shaman, on Stereo Fix 888. On top of a mountain, here to give it to you. I'm here to give it to you. And what I want to give you is the idea that I can't just study the art. I have to study the science. And when I talk about the science, I mean the finer details and aspects behind how YouTube works. And by that specifically, but not solely, I mean the algorithm. I need to learn more about that thing, because it turns out that there's a lot I can learn about it. And I kind of brushed over that. And there's a way I could try to fit in there like one of those round pegs, just like Forrest Gump said, right? So the algorithm, man, the algorithm. I gotta set up a rhythm and flow to this. I'm in a flow state when I create, but I also realize that there's a method and a madness to applying the science and knowledge and wisdom and understanding behind the things that I make. How's that for a bar? Yeah, I rap. It's on my channel. Go check it out. It's like that. It's like this. Look, man, I got nothing but love for you. Got nothing but love for you. I ain't mad at you, like Pac said. Just do me a favor. Get in the comments, man. Uplift everybody. Love each other. Love yourself. Don't hate. Congratulate. Let's emancipate and proclamate. Let's make this shit happen, man. Captain, come on. Come on. What you waiting on? I'm putting myself out there, man. I'm just putting myself out there because I know that what I went through was meant to be. And it gave me what I needed. It gave me the knowledge I needed for the wisdom I have, which is knowledge applied, so I could overcome the fears which I had, which are false evidence appearing real, and increase in peace, which is positive energy activates constant elevation. So look, I call myself the shaman because what I went through was meant to create it was the catalyst to give me the understanding I needed to help people and heal people, as I've healed myself, first and foremost. That's why I'm the shaman, because the methods I use are in place to help myself first. That's how I know they work. So it took me a long time to refine them and discover them. So this was a research project that took over 20 years. First-hand research in the calle, which is the streets, yo, just saying. So I'm the shaman, man, because I'm ready to heal, but I had to do it for myself first. I had to heal myself first. I had to release the fears. I had to let go of fears. This is going to be the illest video with the most info. Real short, real quick, yo. You know what I'm saying? Let's combine the heart and the mind. Let's combine the heart and the mind, and let's meditate for a quick second, yo.